Hi everyone! Here's a quick tutorial on using DaVinci Resolve's clone tool to copy the camera and sound dailies onto the laptop and external drive. First, open up DaVinci Resolve. Now, as the data wrangler, you'll be responsible for copying all of the footage onto the laptop's hard drive and the external drive. When it's finished loading, you'll see the project manager. Open up a new project and name it the title of the film that you're working on. Next, jump to the Media page, which is at the bottom. Click over to Media if it's not there already. Now at the top left, you'll see the Media Storage panel. You can see a list of connected drives and your media cards. You'll use this to browse to your media files, check what's on the cards, drag the folders to the clone tool, and then check what was copied to the drives. So first, make sure you've inserted the camera or the sound SD card into the laptop. Next, make sure you have the external drive connected. If you've done it properly, you'll see all those pop up in the media storage panel on the left. Organization is extremely important, so you'll need to ensure that the footage is copied to the correct folders. There will be folders on the laptop's desktop, and then there will be folders on the external drive that will be labeled with your film's title. Inside that folder will be a folder called Picture Dailies, which this is where you'll drop the camera's footage, and another folder called the Sound Dailies, and this is where you'll drop all the recordings from the sound recorder. Now the second step, open up the clone tool at the top of the panel. This clone tool allows you to copy files with a checksum verification. Now this ensures that the copied files are identical to the original files. Next, add a job. You'll see a section for source, and this is the original dailies. Then you'll see destination. This is where the files are going, the laptop hard drive and the external hard drive. Drag the camera volume to the source. Navigate to your films folder on the laptop, so it's on the desktop. Find the film folder. Inside is the Picture Dailies folder, so drag that empty Picture Dailies folder to the destination. Then navigate to your films folder on the external drive, and then drag the Picture Dailies on that folder to the destination. So when you start copying, you're actually going to copy the C100 footage onto both the laptop and the drive simultaneously. Now, if you're able to connect both SD cards, the C100 SD card and the MCP SD card at the same time, then you can add another job. So repeat that for the sound SD card. So drag the sound SD card volume that says MCP. That's your source, so drag it to the source. Then navigate to your films folder on the laptop again, and this time drag the sound dailies folder to your destination. And then same for the external drive, drag the sound dailies folder to the destination. Now, you want to make sure that the folder structure is preserved. So at the top right of that panel is a 3-dot menu, that's the options menu. Click on that and make sure that the preserve folder name is checked, and below that make sure the checksum type is MD5. Now double check your source and the destination folders and then begin copying. You'll see a progress bar, and once it's completed, navigate back to the media storage folders to check the files that you just copied. Go into the Picture Dailies folder, make sure that the files are there. Go into the Sound Dailies folder and make sure all the sound files are there. If they look okay, you're good to go. Then unmount the SD cards and give them back to the camera and sound team. That's how you use Resolve's clone tool to copy the camera and sound dailies onto your drives. Thanks for watching.